All right, definitely time for an update. It's been a minute. So, got the skid plate all painted. Had to grind off a bunch of that rubberized bed lining stuff off of that, and now I have it painted, and it's going to sit for a day or two out in my newly installed paint oven, so it dries nice and hard. It's made by a brand called California Summers. It's good and hot, you know, get that paint baked on there. So let's talk about the interior today real quick. Just go over this again, you know. So kind of going for that two-tone look. So dash is all cracked as is typical, and until I find a new one, I went with a light brown dash cover. I'm kind of going for the two-tone thing. It doesn't really match, but you know, it's okay. It's good enough. I have a part got at the junkyard to replace this one. It's kind of broken. Haven't done that yet, but that's coming. Everything's been, all the carpets have been pulled, you know, everything was pulled out, as you guys saw in my other videos. Carpets are steam cleaned and everything. New shifter bushings, which is good. You guys have seen videos before on the switches and all that. And cup holder installed. So this dude is on eBay, and he 3D prints these. And there's another one that clips on right here that I also got that I haven't installed yet. I'm waiting till all my wiring is done so I can tuck this stuff up nicely. Took out the rear heat. There's a video on that too, and put in just a tackle box kind of thing. I think I got this at Harbor Freight. Just a whole lot more storage, and yeah, it's just got kind of little room for small things on top, and nice and deep inside. Probably, I don't know if I need that thing, but yeah, that's the radio instructions. I was programming. And it just latches there. It doesn't get in the way of this cup holder. If your phone is small enough, your phone fits right in there, you know, pens, whatever, that kind of stuff's pretty cool. My phone doesn't fit though, because I have one of those outdoorsy guy type cases on it. So, glove box is not back in yet. Had to take that out to work on the air conditioning and stuff, and some wiring. It's going to get a new steering wheel cover. Just you know, off the shelf one for now. But I got some extra leather in both the light brown and gray, so I might make a steering wheel cover at some point. So now everything works in here. AC works, everything works. It's fantastic. Shifts really nice, drives really nice. It's really great. In the back, another video will do, I don't even run with the seat bottoms. It just gives me more room. So seat bottoms are out and missing and gone. So back here, the house battery is going to go, and all that kind of stuff, solar and all that kind of stuff. That'll be, I got some changes I'm making there, so we'll do that a different video. So next video, I'll update you on mechanicals and stuff like that. So, all right, hope you guys dig it. Let me pull back here, because I certainly do. I think that two-tone is just, I know I keep saying it, that's fantastic. And it just brightens it up in there. Modernizes it a little bit. Yep. And also in the seat covers too, now that they've been on for a little while, it all pulled tight. The wrinkles are mostly gone and that kind of thing. You can see this one's really good because I've been sitting in it. That one's gonna, when it gets some butt time over there, the rest of the wrinkles will go out, but it still looks, it's like 95% there. So yeah, and they're really cool too, because I didn't know that it would have this, but they got the map pockets, which I really like, and it comes with the headrest covers and everything. And I like the map pockets because when I travel, I always bring paper maps as well. Technology is great, but I always like to have paper to fall back on, and they go in here. And then when these are down like that, then down here is some recovery gear and stuff, miscellaneous, you know, toe straps, stuff like that. I think my air compressor, all that stuff goes in a bag right here. And that side is the house battery over there. So yeah, it works out pretty good. And then yeah, maps and all that kind of stuff go in here in the slots in the back. So okay, cool. All right guys, appreciate you checking out all these videos, and coming along. Looking good. Needs a bath. Something horrible. I also want to see if I could loosen up the bolts there and pull that back bumper forward a bit. It's kind of janky. Such things happen. But yeah. All right. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Super appreciate it. Talk to you soon.